तो हम लोग CSIR नेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से टोपोलॉजी को पढ़ रहे थे और डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 में हम लोग टोपोलॉजी का सारे थ्योरी जो कि बहुत यूज़फुल है कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए, उसका एक जिस्ट बना के एक PDF फाइल में अपलोड कर दूंगा जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा। और आप डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 का वीडियो देख लेना, नहीं तो ये क्वेश्चन वाला जो सेशन होगा, प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन वाला सेशन होगा, उसका मज़ा आप नहीं ले पाओगे। कुछ प्रॉब्लम हम लोग ऑलरेडी डे 3 में सॉल्व किया था। आज टोपोलॉजी के ऊपर फाइनल लेक्चर है। बाकी कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम्स आज हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। नेक्स्ट डे से हम लोग दूसरा कोई टॉपिक करेंगे और आपका जो पूरा कोर्स का जो हर एक डे का लेक्चर का जो सीक्वेंस है, कब कौन सा डेट में कौन सा लेक्चर हो रहा है, उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन गणित एकेडमी इंडिया का जो ओरिजिनल साइट है उससे आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा। सो यू कैन विजिट दैट वेबसाइट फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिप्शन। आज हम लोग फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं वो है नेट का क्वेश्चन। एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन दैट ये क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन वाला सेशन आपको तब अच्छे से समझ में आएगा या फिर करने में मज़ा आएगा अगर आप क्वेश्चन जो मिलेगा उसको पहले पॉज कीजिए और क्वेश्चन को खुद सॉल्व करने का कोशिश कीजिए। अगर नहीं हो रहा है देन यू प्ले द वीडियो, देन यू विल फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन। ओके, द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, X be a topological space and U be a proper dense open subset of X. Pick out the correct statements. Number 1 is that X connected, then U connected. If X compact, then U is compact. If U complement compact, then X is compact. And fourth is X compact, then उसका complement compact है. So these are the 4 results, but option 1, 2, 3 are incorrect. We can find very easy some counter examples. So option 4 will be correct. So let us see. Suppose X is R and U is R minus 0. Now the set U will be open in R because 0 is a closed set. सो व्हेन एवर 0 इज 0 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले रहा है आर में तो ओपन हो जाएगा। और यू बार आर होगा क्योंकि आर में कोई एक यू बार विल बी आर बिकॉज यू विल बी डेंस इन आर बिकॉज आर का कोई भी एक पॉइंट लेने से उसके सराउंडिंग जितना भी स्मॉल रेडियस का आप नेबरहुड कंसीडर कीजिए तो उसमें यू का पॉइंट आएगा ही आएगा। इन पर्टिकुलर अगर ओरिजिन के एगेंस्ट में कोई स्मॉल नेबरहुड लिया जा रहा है तो आर का पॉइंट आएगा, दैट इज यू बार इज इक्वल टू आर। सो यूज डेंस ओपन सेट एंड इट्स ऑल्सो प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ आर, बट यू इज नॉट कनेक्टेड। सो एग्जाम्पल 1 से हम लोग ऑप्शन 1 को डिस्कार्ड कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली suppose X is any closed bounded interval and U is open bounded interval, then X is compact but U is open proper dense subset of that set, but U is not compact in R. So option 2 is also incorrect. Similarly we can discard option 3 by taking X equal to R and U equal to R minus 0. In that case X minus U will be singleton 0. So option 3 is also discarded. So option 4 बचेगा। So option 4 is correct. Next question देख लेते हैं। A be an open connected subset of R2, then the number of continuous surjective function from A to Q is the set of rational, is 1, 0, 2, not finite. So let us solve this. Now as A is connected, A bar will be connected. This is a result of topology. So a function, in particular a continuous function f A bar to Q is continuous onto दिया गया, therefore f A bar will be Q, but Q is not connected, okay, and f is continuous. So continuous image of connected set should be connected, but लेफ्ट साइड में जो सेट मिल रहा है वो कनेक्टेड, राइट साइड में जो सेट मिल रहा है वो डिसकनेक्टेड, सो इट इज ए कंट्राडिक्शन. सो नो सच एफ एग्जिस्ट. सो नंबर ऑफ ऑन टू continuous map will be 0. So option 2 is correct. So these all are previous year's questions of CSIR net. So next question. Suppose X is a subset of R, be an infinite bounded countable subset of R. Which of the following is true? ध्यान से पढ़िए हर एक स्टेटमेंट को. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज X cannot be compact. Second statement is X contains an interior point. Third statement is that X may be closed. Fourth is closure of X is countable. So let us solve this. Suppose option 1 will not be correct, because we will take a set X equals to 1 by n where n is in natural number with its limit point. Then it will be compact, because एक रिजल्ट था कोई भी एक सीक्वेंस इंक्लूडिंग उसका जो लिमिट पॉइंट वो ऑलवेज कॉम्पैक्ट होता है, वो प्रीवियस लेक्चर में है. So X is compact. Now R में compact means X is closed. So option 1 is discarded. क्योंकि X जो सेट है ये इनफाइनाइट है, बाउंडेड है. बाउंडेड मीन्स अपर बाउंड 1 and lower bound is 0, and it is also countable because there is a bijection from n to the set X. So X is infinite bounded and countable subset of R, but X is compact. So option 1 is incorrect. Now option 3 will be correct. So let us take the all rational points in the closed bounded interval 1 2. So X is this set, closed 1 2 intersection Q, but X bar will be the entire set 1 2, which is not equal to X. Therefore X is not closed. So option 3 is correct. X may not be closed. And this set X 1 2 intersection Q, that is all rationals of 1 2, is countable set, bounded set, and it is also infinite set. So the trick is you have to think some set which will satisfy the conditions given in the question, and to find the solution whether it is a counter example of the statement or not. Option 4 is incorrect because of the example of statement 3, and option 2 is also incorrect because 1 by n belongs to natural number. अगर इस सेट को हम लोग ले लेंगे तो it does not contain any interior point. So option 3 is correct. Now next question is a very interesting one. Which of the following statements are true? This is a question asked in National Board of Higher Mathematics का जो PhD वाला एग्जाम होता है उससे. So first option is the a map A from close 0 to open 2 pi to the circle S1 defined by ft equal to e to the power it is a homeomorphism. So first try to understand whenever we are solving homeomorphism we can formally write the proof or think about this, but whenever you are solving a problem in CSIR net examination, so you have to crack that problem with a fraction of second of time. So you have to understand the physical meaning of homeomorphism. First, understand any two object in physical space in our real life is homeomorphic if you are thinking that we can we can stretch the space, we can shrink the space, we can twist the space, but only restriction is that we cannot cut, we cannot glue the space. So a needle is homeomorphic to a cup of coffee. Can you imagine that? Because a needle को ऐसे हम लोग स्ट्रेच श्रिंक और ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं so that the upper end of the needle will be converted to the handle of the cup. So you have to understand the geometry, or you have to feel the geometry of homeomorphism, then you can crack the problem within a fraction of second. So what is that? 0 to pi to S1. S1 is a circle, unit circle, and 0 to pi means a line where 0 is included but 2 pi is excluded, right? And circle is a connected line. So if you cut the circle at a point, then this circle will be homeomorphic to this. So physically, if we think, this cannot be homeomorphic. Now you can calculate the mathematical computations very easily. We can say that if there is a homeomorphism from H1 to this set, say F, then as F is continuous, right साइड में जो स्पेस है S1 ये कॉम्पैक्ट है, और लेफ्ट साइड में जो स्पेस है ये नॉन कॉम्पैक्ट है, बट F इज कंटिन्यूअस. सो दिस कैन नॉट हैपन. सो F कैन नॉट बी होम्योमॉर्फिक फंक्शन. कंटिन्यूअस ओपन कंटिन्यूअस बाइजेक्शन होना चाहिए. तो इन पर्टिकुलर F कंटिन्यूअस होने से लेफ्ट साइड में जो कॉम्पैक्ट सेट होगा, लेफ्ट साइड का स्पेस कॉम्पैक्ट होने से उसका कंटिन्यूअस इमेज कॉम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. सो नो सच कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट. So therefore we can very easily conclude that these two spaces are not homeomorphic, but you have to crack that problem physically, understanding that what is the meaning of homeomorphism. Then S1 and S2 is homeomorphic. Next statement is also wrong, because why? S1 is a circle and S2 is the sphere. So suppose there is a homeomorphism F from S1 to S2. Okay. Now S2 means you can assume a football. So you can remove 2 points from the football, and you will remove 2 points from S1. But removing 2 points in S1 will leave the space disconnected, whereas whenever we will remove 2 points from a football, the space will not be disconnected. It will still connected. And F is open continuous bijection. In particular F is continuous. So a disconnected set का continuous image connected बन रहा है, जो कि 2 finite point हम लोग 2 set से space से disclude कर रहे हैं, फिर भी ऐसा हो रहा है. तो ये possible नहीं है. So S1 and S2 cannot be homeomorphic. So that is the way of thinking. And third is that X and Y be topological space, and let f x to y be continuous, then graph of the function gf is homeomorphic to x. So let us formally try to crack that problem. One important thing, that for the first statement we said that S1 is compact. Okay, why S1 is compact? S1 is a subspace of R2, and R2 में कोई भी set compact होगा if it is closed bounded set. बाउंडेड तो है ही S1, बिकॉज उसका अपर बाउंड 1 है. क्लोज दिखाने के लिए हम लोग एक फंक्शन को सोच सकते हैं. F इज ए फंक्शन x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. F एक्स वाई is x square plus y square. So it's a polynomial function, so it's continuous. And basically the set S1 is the pre-image of the singleton 1. So S1, if f is this function, S1 is basically f inverse 1, singleton 1. And as 1 is closed, singleton set in R is closed, तो उसका प्री इमेज जो होगा वो भी क्लोज्ड होगा बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी. सो S1 विल बी क्लोज्ड. S1 इज बाउंडेड, क्लोज्ड बाउंडेड, दैट इज S1 इज कॉम्पैक्ट. सो राइट साइड में जो स्पेस है कॉम्पैक्ट है, लेफ्ट साइड में जो स्पेस है नॉन कॉम्पैक्ट है. F इज कंटिन्यूअस बिकॉज F इज होम्योमॉर्फिज्म, सो दिस कैन नॉट हैपन. सो दिस टू स्पेस कैन नॉट बी होम्योमॉर्फिक. This is the mathematical way of proving that these two spaces are not homeomorphic. But you are in CSIR NET examination, so you have to crack that problem within a fraction of a second by using the physical geometric idea of homeomorphism. Okay. And now, so we are in the statement 3, right? Now, X and GF, graph of F, are homeomorphic. So we have to set a homeomorphism. So very trivially we can set it. Suppose X goes to the pair X comma Fx. So this is very easily we can say that it is bijection plus continuous. So only thing that we have to prove that f inverse function will be also continuous, then this function will be a homeomorphism. Suppose psi is f inverse. Suppose psi is the function from x to gf, then psi inverse is basically the projection map pi from product space to its first component space. So this is continuous. So then it is very easily we can say that gf, graph of the function, this space, is homeomorphic to x. In fact, we excluded 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Okay. So dealing with the problem of homeomorphism, we can solve it very easily without entering the mathematical proof of the phenomenon. Okay. Next problem is that ONR. ONR means the set of all real orthogonal matrices of order n is disconnected. So sometimes this type of problem is asked. So how to deal with this type of problems? We know that determinant function is a continuous function. So determinant is a function from ONR to the space R. So this is a map which is continuous, but इसका जो इमेज होगा वो होगा -1 1 because it is orthogonal. Determinant of any orthogonal matrix will be either 1 or -1, and right side में जो space आ रहा है वो disconnected आ रहा है, and determinant is a continuous function. So left side का जो space है ONR, अगर वो connected होता तो उसका continuous image connected आना चाहिए था. So connected is not possible, so ONR is disconnected. So this is the way of thinking. Next is R2 minus Q2 is disconnected. R2 minus Q2 means the all points in the plane which are irrational. So suppose it is asked whether it is true or false. Basically this is false because R2 minus Q2 is connected, and in fact it is path connected. How we can show that? Suppose there are 2 points p comma q and alpha comma beta in R2 minus Q2. So p q all are irrational points and alpha beta all are irrational points. So we can join these by this dotted line, and this line, all the points in this line is irrational. Think. So it is very easily we can show that R2 minus Q2 is connected, in fact path connected, but R minus Q, that is set of irrationals, is disconnected in R. Next is a true false statement. Compact set in Rn is connected. Compact set is in Rn is connected. True or false? It is false because we can take any finite set. Being finite, it is compact, but it is not connected. So you have to be careful. If you think that a closed bounded set, uska nth type Cartesian product will be the set, that is not the case. So next question is a question of NBHM. Which of the following sets are connected? The set of all invertible matrices, the set of all orthogonal matrices, the set of all matrices whose trace is 0. So how we can deal this problem? So first set को अगर A से denote करेंगे तो इसमें सारे invertible matrices आ रहा है. So all matrices A for which A inverse A into A inverse is A inverse into A is identity. So let it possible S be connected. Determinant is a continuous function from S to R, and image of the set under this determinant will be R minus 0 because it is invertible matrices set, and इसका डिटर्मिनेंट कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता है, तो इसका जो राइट साइड में इमेज आएगा R माइनस 0 होगा, एंड R माइनस 0 इज डिसकनेक्टेड. सो लेफ्ट साइड का जो स्पेस है वो कनेक्टेड नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि अगर कनेक्टेड होगा तो उसका कंटिन्यूअस इमेज कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए था, लेकिन राइट साइड में जो स्पेस मिल रहा है वो डिसकनेक्टेड मिल रहा है. देयरफॉर द सेट ऑफ ऑल इनवर्टेबल मैट्रिसेस इज डिसकनेक्टेड. नेक्स्ट जो है द सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिसेस. सो एस इज all the matrix for which AT is equal to ATA equal to I. Again we are taking the determinant function which is continuous, but S का इमेज डिटर्मिनेंट में क्या आएगा, 1 और -1 आएगा, क्योंकि ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट आइदर 1 और -1 आता है. एंड राइट साइड में जो स्पेस मिल रहा है आर में वो डिस्कनेक्टेड है, तो लेफ्ट में जो स्पेस है वो भी डिस्कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए. देयरफॉर द सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिसेस is disconnected. Now the set of all matrices whose trace is 0. This is a connected matrix, in fact path connected matrix, because this is a convex set and we know that any convex set is path connected. So we can how we can do that? Suppose a, b are any 2 points in the space, then a function psi t defined by this will be in S, because इसका trace लेने से 0 आएगा, and psi 1 is A, psi 0 is B, so this is path connected and it's a convex set. So any line connecting this any two elements of this space is within this space, so it is path connected. Now next जो result है, suppose A be a non-empty subset of a topological space X, then which of the following is true? This question was asked in NET 2019. First option is A is connected, then ever is necessarily connected. If A is path connected, then ever is path connected. A is connected, then its interior is not necessarily connected, and A is path connected, then its interior is connected. So how we can deal that? So first, suppose we can exclude the option 4. How we can do that? Option 4 is false. Suppose A is a set such that we have two open disk and it is connected by a straight line. So this is a connected space. बट इसका जो इंटीरियर होगा वो लाइन छोड़ के बाकी दो ओपन डिस्क होगा, एंड दिस इज डिस्कनेक्टेड. सो ऑप्शन 4 इज करेक्ट, एंड विद दिस एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से दैट ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट. एंड इट वॉज a question of part B, so we have not to check option 1 and option 2, but for the sake of completion option 1 is false, because option 1 में क्या बोला जा रहा है, A connected then ever is necessarily connected. इसका is not necessarily connected, ये false है, क्योंकि कोई भी टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस में अगर ए कनेक्टेड है तो उसका क्लोजर भी कनेक्टेड होता है, बिकॉज इसका एक रिजल्ट था प्रीवियस लेक्चर में. इनफैक्ट एनी सेट इन बिटवीन ए एंड एवर इज कनेक्टेड व्हेन एवर ए इज कनेक्टेड. सो इन पर्टिकुलर अगर टी को एवर लिया जाए तो एवर विल बी कनेक्टेड, एंड इफ ए इज path connected, ever is path connected. This is not true, because we have a famous example, topology sine curve. Suppose we are given the space A is equal to x comma sin x, which is a subspace of R2. This is path connected because it is continuous function, and ever is the set A with the elements of y axis in between -1 to 1, which is not path connected.